Hello, everyone! Welcome to Flowspace 101 Vocabulary Flow. Today we are learning Blue Level Unit 5. We will study 12 new vocabulary words together. The words erebelmish, blunt, capable, conclude, detect, fatigue, festive, hospitality, nomad, persecute, supreme, and transport. Let's read, think, and grow together. Let's get started. Our first word is blemish. Say it with me, blemish. Blemish is a noun. A blemish is a mark, stain, flaw, or weakness that damages the appearance of something. For example, the carpenter noticed a blemish in the finish of the cabinet. Another example is, the design was beautiful except for one small blemish. Some synonyms are scar, spot, smudge, flaw, and defect. Some antonyms are perfection and flawlessness. Can a small blemish ruin something good? Let's think about it. Our next word is blunt. Say it with me, blunt. Blunt can be an adjective and a verb. As an adjective, blunt means not sharp. It can also mean honest and direct, but sometimes insensitive. As a verb, blunt means to make something less sharp. For example, my uncle gave me some blunt advice. Another example is, misuse will blunt a knife blade. Some synonyms are dull, outspoken, frank, and direct. Some antonyms are sharp, keen, tactful, and diplomatic. When can blunt words hurt someone's feelings? Our next word is capable. Say it with me, capable. Capable is an adjective. It means able and prepared to do something, or fit and skilled. For example, a capable teacher should be rewarded. Another example is, she is capable of solving difficult problems. Some synonyms are qualified, skilled, and competent. Some antonyms are unqualified, incapable, and unfit. What are you capable of doing well? Our next word is conclude. Say it with me, conclude. Conclude is a verb. It means to finish, to bring something to an end, or to decide after careful thought. For example, after electing a new secretary, the committee voted to conclude the meeting. Another example is, we concluded that the plan would work. Some synonyms are finish, close, complete, and decide. Some antonyms are open, begin, start, and commence. How do you know when it is time to conclude something? Our next word is detect. Say it with me, detect. Detect is a verb. It means to find, discover, or notice something. For example, a test may detect chemicals in the water supply. Another example is, the scientist used a tool to detect movement. Some synonyms are discover, observe, spot, and notice. Some antonyms are miss and overlook. What clues help detectives detect the truth? Our next word is fatigue. Say it with me, fatigue. Fatigue can be a noun and a verb. As a noun, fatigue means weariness or exhaustion from work or lack of sleep. As a verb, fatigue means to make very tired. For example, by the end of the day, I felt overcome with fatigue. Another example is, long rides can fatigue the horses. Some synonyms are tiredness, sleepiness, weakness, and tire. Some antonyms are energy, liveliness, energize, and perk up. What activities make you feel fatigue? Our next word is festive. Say it with me, festive. Festive is an adjective. It means having to do with a feast, holiday, party, or celebration. For example, decorations will help lend a festive atmosphere. Another example is, we wore bright colors for the festive parade. Some synonyms are happy, merry, and playful. Some antonyms are sad, gloomy, and somber. What are the most festive occasions in your house? What decorations make a place feel festive? Our next word is hospitality. Say it with me, hospitality. Hospitality is a noun. It means a friendly welcome and kind treatment of guests. For example, the innkeepers were famous for their hospitality. Another example is, our hosts showed great hospitality to every guest. Some synonyms are friendliness, generosity, and warmth. Some antonyms are unfriendliness and hostility. How can you show hospitality to a guest? Why is hospitality important? Our next word is nomad. Say it with me, nomad. Nomad is a noun. A nomad is a person or member of a group who moves from place to place. It can also mean a person who roams around without one fixed home. For example, the adventurer lived the life of a nomad. Another example is, the nomad traveled with tents and animals. Some synonyms are wanderer, roamer, and rover. Some antonyms are settler and resident. Why might some people live like nomads? What would be hard about moving from place to place? Our next word is persecute. Say it with me, persecute. Persecute is a verb. It means to treat someone unfairly or cause someone to suffer. For example, it is wrong to persecute people for being different. Another example is, no one should persecute others unfairly. Some synonyms are torment, hurt, and annoy. Some antonyms are reward, favor, comfort, help, and protect. Why is it important to treat people fairly? How can we stand up for someone being treated unfairly? Our next word is supreme. Say it with me, supreme. Supreme is an adjective. It means highest in power, rank, authority, quality, or degree. For example, she gave the supreme performance in the competition. Another example is, the king held supreme authority. Some synonyms are first, greatest, dominant, and outstanding. Some antonyms are low, lowly, and worst. What does supreme mean in sports or music? Can effort help someone reach supreme success? Our next word is transport. Say it with me, transport. Transport can be a verb and a noun. As a verb, transport means to move or carry something from one place to another. As a noun, transport can mean a vehicle or the act of moving something from place to place. For example, a mover was hired to transport the furniture. Another example is, the bus is a common form of transport. Some synonyms are haul, cart, send, and convey. Some antonyms are keep, hold, and retain. How are you transported to school each day? What kinds of transport do people use in cities? Great job today. You learned 12 new vocabulary words in Blue Level Unit 5. Let's read them one more time. Bulmish, blunt, capable, conclude, detect, fatigue, festive, hospitality, nomad, persecute, supreme, and transport. Keep practicing these words so you can understand them, remember them, and use them in your own sentences. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next unit. Bye.